easy go.
Still see you. You're not hiding.
Oh.
Welcome back to another video. This video we're gonna do Snowcone and tropical rain.
And who got this tropical rain for us?
Our boy Jeremiah from
Yes,
UPS.
Jeremiah
You don't work
from
there.
the UPS. Speaking of UPS,
Merch man. We got merch UPS. DM us if you want to buy this hat. It's a pretty cool hat. Wear it how you like it. All right, cool. Merch man. Anyways, so we're gonna do tropical rain with Snowcone.
tropical rain.
You never tried tropical. I haven't.
I
Tried
have.
tropical
I've been in
rain.
the tropical
Oh, you have?
forest drinking out of leaves, man. I've been there, bro.
You've been tripping on acid. Anyways, I haven't tried tropical rain though.
Neither have I. Yeah, so based on the picture, we got pineapples, raspberries, blueberries,
Ooh.
kiwi,
Whoa.
kiwi wee wee,
Skirt. Ski.
and then a little bit of water.
Water?
It's on the front.
It's water. Because water is better than ice for those.
All right, we got some G
People
drink.
who drink GFuel with ice. I don't know how that works.
All right,
Makes it
you
weird.
ready to mix this?
Yeah, you get the cup.
Oh, this is the
Pristine new cup, by the way.
yeah, pristine new cup. We got a little swirl in the front. I don't know. I guess that's
It's like a vortex.
your vortex.
Thank you. Appreciate that. I don't get compliments.
I'm not even gonna hold it by the handle.
Ooh.
Watch this.
Whoa. This one's green.
You're green.
Okay. Coming from the newbie, I'm a veteran. What you thought?
I'm already a veteran. First video.
How am I gonna have a scoop with this?
Don't
Dang.
do will, bro. Don't do will.
I'm not gonna do will. I opened it. Okay. You gotta slowly, just
Look at that.
It's all about technique.
Why do they all look the same to me? Like, they all look the same.
This one smells. How do you think it smells?
It smells like
Why?
the kiwi makes that smell, but it smells like BO mixed with some fruit. And I like the little back in the elementary days where you're going to PE and no one knew about deodorant. No, this is middle school. No one knew about deodorant. That's how it be.
I just found
I like when my cheeks shake. You want to shake it? I want to see if your cheeks shake.
I just started using deodorant like 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Great. Alright. So, we can't even see how this looks unless we get the cups. Where the cups at? It's over there. Get the cups.
Get the cups when I'm ready to pour.
Don't look at me.
Breathe on his beard. Watch the hair.
I got a nice beard.
Yes.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I like that pop.
Right.
Ooh. Oh, that one looks pretty cool.
Gotta do nice and fancy.
What are you going bartender? Pour me
Yeah.
a little bit more.
I am a bartender.
Pour me a little bit more.
You want a little
A
more?
little bit more. Just a little bit.
There you go.
You spoil me.
I do swear. Just to make Elijah mad.
You didn't even smell it. How you going?
I don't need to.
Oh, that smells really good.
It does smell really good.
How does it taste?
Delicious, man. I actually kind of like it. You taste the kiwi. You do taste the kiwi. Taste it.
Ooh, tell them how it tastes. You can drop it. Tell them how it tastes.
You tell him how it tastes. You haven't
Stop
tasted.
looking at me. Look at the camera. You're gonna make me spill this, dude.
Man, he drank it all. Okay.
Woo! GFuel. Love GFuel.
To me, I taste the kiwi.
You taste
That's all I
taste
taste.
kiwi too.
That's all I taste is kiwi.
Oh.
Did you put a full? Did you do half?
I'm not Will.
Oh, okay.
I don't do jewels. What? What am I, Will?
We ain't fuming.
We're not.
We booming. That's what we doing. This is blocking the
No
flavors.
matter. Anyways,
Anyway.
it tastes pretty good to be honest. I'd mix it again. Would you mix it again?
One more time, maybe.
One more time.
I don't know if I don't know how I feel about it.
You don't like the fruits?
I don't like the kiwi.
You don't like kiwi?
It just overpowers it. I don't taste that. All I taste is
You don't
that.
really taste it when you mix other flavors.
What do you
It
mean?
just makes it
I
sweeter.
tasted it in the other ones. I know. I don't feel like. I feel like it just tastes like that. I feel like if I just pour that right now, it tastes exactly the same.
You want to do that in a separate video? Or am I do that in a separate video?
Or I might just do that.
That's tries out GFuel.
Just drinking GFuel.
He's just chugging it. So pour me another one. Anyways, so how would you rate it though?
My brain says 3.
A 3?
Yeah.
You would rate it a 3?
Because all I taste is kiwi. I thought I was gonna maybe taste a little bit of
a
that.
3?
Kind of underwhelmed.
A 3?
Big threes, bro.
I'd rate it a solid 8.
He says 8.
An 8.
Go back to every previous video. 8.
8. I'm just gonna start saying 8 from now on. Dude.
No, because you're gonna rate it 8 every single time.
Except for the bad ones. There are some bad ones that we tasted. Go back in the videos, check us out. You know.
I'm a bad one.
Yeah, because you don't check out our YouTube. What's the point of me?
Subscribe, baby.
Yeah, but you don't accept my invite to our next ones. Why don't you do that? So tell the camera why don't you do that? Why do you ignore me?
Like and subscribe, please. We need them.
Please do.
We do.
Please.
Hit the notification button.
Why?
I'd like to see your face again.
Don't stop it.
Stop it.
We're gonna keep going.